Nano Banana versus Midjourney versus Magnific AI. There are several popular AI image generators today. Let's quickly compare three of them. Nano Banana is known for fast generation and creative styles. Midjourney is famous for highly artistic and cinematic images. And Magnific AI focuses on accessibility and practical design workflows. For example, inside Magnific, we can simply open the image generator, type a prompt, and click Generate. The platform immediately produces multiple image options. Unlike some tools, Magnific also integrates directly with stock assets, templates, and editing tools. This makes it especially useful for designers, marketers, and content creators. So while different generators have different strengths, platforms like Magnific focus on a complete creative workflow, from idea to final image. Now you've seen how some popular AI image generators compare. Next, we'll look at which AI image generator is best for beginners. Tell us in the comments how you use AI image generators in your work. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials.